Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest products in hair care, the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. Now, if you're tired of battling frizz and seeking that sleek, salon-like finish, this might just be your new holy grail. Let's explore why. First off, let's talk about the magic ingredients. Packed with spirulina protein, this spray offers more than just your average heat protection. It's like a keratin treatment in a bottle, smoothing out those pesky frizzies and leaving your locks looking effortlessly sleek. But what sets this apart from the rest? Well, it's not just about taming frizz. This spray goes the extra mile by offering heat protection, ensuring your hair stays healthy and undamaged even after styling with heat tools. So, whether you're blow-drying or using a flat iron, you can trust that your strands are in good hands. Now, let's talk application. It's simple and straightforward. Just mist it over damp hair, making sure to coat every strand from root to tip. Then, comb through to ensure even distribution. And voila! You're ready to style as usual. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, shiny locks, give IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray a try. Your hair will thank you later. That's all for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty reviews and tips. Until next time, stay fabulous.